What is up? This is Ace Rollin. So what's up, everybody? This is Ace Rollin. I got the 1LE out the garage today, and looks like we're only gonna have like this one day of good weather to get this car out to try to do the break-in for the power stop brakes. So I'm holding the camera right now because I can't figure out where the hell to mount this camera in the car to get the right angle, and I'm really pressed for time, so I got to do this pretty quickly. This is gonna be a quick video for you guys. I'll probably have like more beauty shots of the car and stuff like that, you know, in this video, so you guys can see all the work that I really put into it. But do me a favor, go ahead and drop a like on this video, make some comments if you want to. I'll try to respond to all comments, and definitely subscribe to the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and probably have to hold this camera in my mouth to give you guys like a point of view drive footage. So let's go ahead and do it, and this should be fun, so y'all stay tuned. Saw a little bit of that point of view driving footage of me doing a break-in, but I didn't film the entire thing because I had to kind of put the camera down so I can concentrate on what I was doing. And of course, this is a manual, so I only have a couple hands. I only got two hands to try to do three things at one time. It really doesn't work. And I couldn't find a good place to really mount the camera because, like I said, I'm pressed for time today. I really have a whole lot of time to really shoot this video, but I'm just really trying to squeeze it in. But I think I got the process done. You have to do 5 stops for 40 miles per hour fairly quickly. Then you have to do another 5 stops from 35 miles per hour down to 5 miles per hour. And you have to do all of these stops, all these braking techniques. Well, you have to do all of them without letting the car stop. So you can't let it stop at no point during the braking process. And then after you've done all the stops, what you do is you just drive the car around, and that's the cooling phase and the curing phase of the brake rotor. So that's what I'm doing now. I figured the best way to cool down the brakes is to jump on the expressway and see if I can get a lot of air up in those brakes. But so far, just to let you guys know, there's no squeaks, there's no weird sounds, no vibrations. The brakes seem to stop very, very well. They stop straight and true, which is exactly what I was expecting from these performance brakes. So far so good, you guys. I did get some comments on Instagram about these brakes and how they squeak when it rains, but I rarely get an opportunity to drive this car in the rain. I never take it out in the rain, but if I just so happen to get caught in the rain, I mean, you know, it is what it is, and we'll see what happens. But for the most part, everything seems to be doing pretty well, and I'm happy. So I want to thank you guys for watching the install video and making comments and everything. I really appreciate the feedback. And like I said, I'll try to respond to as many comments as I possibly can, if not all of them. So I'm probably going to go ahead and close this video out. I'm probably going to park somewhere and take some nice pictures of the cars just so I can have some extra footage into the video. And for the most part, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. So I'm Ace Rollin, and I take my hands off the steering wheel, and I'm out.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way we tied and loosens up, I'm sorry. Be cool, go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it. truth about our way we tied and